Alright, so I'll show you what we put in. 1/4-inch drive, right we mounted the gas valve bracket, 1/4-inch self-tapping screws, one there, 2 there. We put in this ground, which later I'm going to cut this off and put a fresh eyelet on it. I got to go find my electrical kit. We put the igniter through its sleeve protector, anti-chafing grommet, and then we put in the visual window. Right, we can see right in there with the flame burning. Right, there you go. A little bit bright, right? And then you get to look at the igniter. Right, there you go. I'll show you the igniter. See it right there? So it's dead in the center. Well, I'm a little tired, so I appreciate all your views. I'm turning around. Remember, anytime you deal with gas valves or anything like that, you double wrench it. This one happens to be a 9/16, both of them. Right in there. And then this one. Same way when you're dealing with that, you hold this block right here with a bigger one and turn that. Same way when I did this. This is the on and off valve right here. Okay. And they got it to where it's like on a thing. And you can actually lift this up out of there. So this is the gas line from the coach propane tank. All right, well, hopefully you learned some stuff off of this. Okay, I do want to show you one other thing on the old one. The new one's modified a little bit different, but here you go. This right here is where a lot of rust gets up. So, right now, if you can see right up that tube, right up, and see that little swirly drill looking thing, spiral, you can get ready to pull that out. You can get that from the top here, but once in a while you got to get out there and get it. See it right there. See, the heat hits that, swirls it, makes it go up the tube. I've seen 2 of these left out in my life. I don't know how that happened, but what I do is I do my own maintenance, right? Hopefully you do too. I get a small 1-inch brush, stainless steel with a big long rod on it, up from here, and I just drill that out, clean all that rust out of there, because that's part of your chimney. All right, so look how it holds on to. So it goes in, and then it snaps in. Ready? Right like that. So it's right on top. Isn't that hard to get to? Now you got short arms, like, you know, half a foot, we're in trouble. But it's you can get it from the rooftop vent. A lot of you just sit here and bang on this. That's good. You gotta clean it out. Okay. All right. Well, this is Jeff. It's Sunday. And I'm gonna take myself a break. I'll be continuing this video. Right now I got a dinosaur board for this one, and I'm going to have to make sure it's the proper one. The customer bought it, so we'll go from there. And if it ain't the right one, we're going to call the customer and say, hey, it ain't the right one. But if it is, we're going to video and install that. Eventually, we're going to have to do it anyway. So this is Jeff from RV Diagnostics YouTube channel. Down below in the comments is a couple links. One is my website. That's a one-on-one with me. Through the phone, video chat, pictures, email. Man, there's all kind of ways we can get it done because we've had to use them all. I've worked with people in the Yukon, up in Canada, British Columbia area, Alaska. Yeah, they need heat up there. So that's www.rvdiagnostics.com. That's plural, diagnostics. The other one is the YouTube channel, which is RV Diagnostics. The other way to get a hold of me is at Seaford Delaware 19973, and the other one is on the Facebook page that is growing. I almost believe before even mid-December it's going to be 15,000 members. And March the 13th will be its 3rd year in existence. I want to thank everybody out there for making this grow. I get to share my knowledge with you, and believe it or not, I'm learning stuff off of y'all, how to make it easier for you to learn. So that helps me. And there's always new RVs with new systems, and pretty much they all work off the same basic principles, but you got to figure out how the engineer engineered them and where they hid them modules. All right, this is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Thank you very much.